How are you everyone? Today we are going to learn something about Lee Chatelier's principle and chemical equilibria. Lee Chatelier's principle, also called the Chatelier's principle or the equilibrium law, is a principle of chemistry used to predict the effect of a change in condition on chemical equilibria. The principle is named after the French chemist Henri Louis Le Chatelier and sometimes also credited to Carl Ferdinand Braun, who discovered it independently. Le Chatelier's principle can be stated as follows. Suppose that we have a reaction which is occurring. So, if a stress is applied to any system under equilibrium, it means there is a chemical reaction going on which is under its equilibrium position. So the system or chemical reaction would tend to shift in such a way so as to neutralize the effect of that stress if possible. The if it is possible for that chemical reaction or system to neutralize the effect, then that chemical reaction or system will definitely try to stop that change. The stress for a chemical reaction would be in the form of a change in pressure or change in temperature or change in concentration or volume at equilibrium. According to the above principle, then the equilibrium would shift in such a direction so that the effect of these changes is neutralized. It is common to treat the principle as a more general observation of systems or reaction, such as when a settled system is disturbed, it will adjust to diminish the change that has been made to it. It means simply in terms, if there is mud in the water and we will try to mix the mud in the water in excess amount, then mud will try its best to settle down in place of mixing in the water. Or roughly you can also state this law as any change in the status quo prompts on opposing reaction in the responding system. It means suppose that you are sitting on a chair and someone try to force you to stand by giving you a push or pull, but you will definitely oppose that person. So it's the best our normal days example for understand this chemical law. Now the use of Le Chatelier's principle in the chemical equilibria. So first topic comes in this is effect of change of concentration. What happen if we change the concentration of the chemical reaction or system which is already under equilibrium? So let we consider an equilibrium reaction. H2 is in gas form plus I2 in gas form, hydrogen and iodine. When we mix hydrogen and iodine, it will give us hydrogen iodide, hydroxyiodide, or so this is general equation, and this sign shows that it is in equilibrium condition. On adding reactant, it means either we add H2 or we add I2. Then according to Le Chatelier principle, the chemical equation will try its best to neutralize the effect of excess amount of H2. So the reaction will change towards this. It means the formation of hydrogen iodide will increase. So we will get more hydrogen oxide and H2 will try to react with I2 more powerfully and more fastly. So it means on adding reactant, the reaction will shift towards the right side, and if we will increase the amount of product, so the reaction will try to move in backward direction. Backward direction mean it will start to form hydrogen and iodine in more amount. So now effect of change in pressure. In this reaction there will be no effect if we change the pressure, but if we see in the matter of N2 gas and 3H2 gas which form the ammonia. So if we will increase the pressure of the in this reaction either by increasing the volume of the container or generally increasing the pressure from outside, which effect in which we can felt from inner side, so the reaction will proceed in forward direction. It will the formation of this thing will increase, and if we decrease the pressure either by decreasing the volume of container or so we will get the formation of N2 and H2 at more rapid rate. Now the third one, effect of change of temperature. By raising in the this we can see in exothermic reaction. If we will raise the temperature, then the amount of product will reduce and reaction will shift towards back side. But if we will increase the it if there will be endothermic reaction, then the raising temperature will result in increasing the formation of product and the amount of substance, it means reactant, will automatically decrease. Thank you. I hope you have understood this very well.